Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and today we have a new version of Google Chrome. It's the weekly, of course, security updates, but it also pushes Chrome to version 149. So if you go to your Chrome browser, upper right corner, 3 vertical dots, go down to Help and About Google Chrome, you will be moved to 149.0. That's 7827.55, 54, 53, depending on the version of operating system that you're using, Linux, Mac, or Windows. So any front-facing features, not a lot, but there is one thing about passkeys and passwords that the user interface and the pop-ups that will show up will be a little better and more kind of easier to understand and follow. And there's also they're calling it the Crisp Edge kind of feature. It's if you're watching pixel art, or if you have been looking at vector images that on the browser, this new feature actually enhances the crispiness, the precision of the pictures that you're watching through the browser. So these are some of the features. Now, there are some security updates, no doubt. Last week was like a wow with 150 security updates. I don't know how much are going to be this week. New versions often tend to have more security updates than just updates, so I don't know if this will be the case. I have a hard time believing that they will beat 151 security flaws like last week. But I, would suspect that there are probably dozens once again this week. So, just for staying up to date, making sure that you stay safe, do stay safe by updating to the new version 149, because it does probably fix a lot of security flaws. So this is going to be interesting to see once again, once the numbers are there. I guess the reason maybe they're taking a lot of time now is because there are so many of them to report that it takes them time to actually have the blog post to all of the flaws. So update your Google Chrome browser to version 149. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.